Welcome CRO family, thanks for joining me today, March 31st, 2024. Subscribing, liking, commenting and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 15.2 cents, down 0.11% with volume down 17.11%. The price is ranging from a high of 15.4 cents and a low of 15.0. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 4,065,233,000 which is down, and a trading volume of 14,535,000 which is down. Etherscan is showing 308,600 holders, up 18. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com, with 42.23%, number 2 is Coinbase with 10.33%, and number 3 OKX with 9.42%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.7 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 203,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir, take care.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.